Okay, alright, sorry guys. My phone died, and that was my bad. Let's go ahead and pick up where we left off. Jeez Louise. These suckers are tight. I'm gonna use a ratchet instead of this pry bar here. I'm not making a thing out of the pry bar. A little Harbor Freight one, I don't care if this one busts. Man, I hate using these stupid star bits on a fucking cylinder head bolt. It's like, seriously, just asking for a problem. Yeah, treacherous. It sounds like literally. It's because it's a torque to yield bolt. So I guess. Oh, stepped on my impact. It really gets torqued in there. Stupid ratchet. This will give you a workout. I should have not left any sockets or nothing up here when I started doing this breaking bolts loose thing. That's my ratchet being a dumbass. It's because it's too much for it. I may have I just smoked it, I think. Normally I'd use a half.
Hello, Moto.
I'm not going to be able to take that. Not quite yet. See, now you made me forget what bolt I was on. These two up here are super tight fitting. Man, I think I got them loose. I think I got them all loose, guys. Psych. These are the torque to yield bolts with a star bit top. I mean, dude, put a head on there, you know what I mean? Why would you do that? No, I didn't even break that one loose. That one's tight. Come on. Oh, Nance it. There we go. Down at the pry bar. On. I think I broke this thing. Stupid ass. All right. This one was giving me crap too, so I went and bought a new one. I guess I forgot it in the truck. I thought this one was it. Alright guys, that's a cylinder head bolt. So, torque to yield meaning, it's impossible to see on camera, but right below the head here, there's a little like groove. So when you tighten it all the way down and then, like let's say you torque it down to like a 80 foot-pounds and then it tells you to go like another 90 degrees or so. Doing the degree turn is what seats that yield. So that's what it's called, torque to yield. But once you take these out though, they're junk. You can't reuse them. So all that's trash. I probably shouldn't put those in there oily. All that's trash. Guys, we're this close. All that I have to do now is just continue to take these bolts out and then the exhaust. I already broke those bolts loose though earlier. So I've struggled with those a few times and I wasn't trying to do that on towards the end of the job. I like to do the hard stuff first if I'm able to. Psych! I didn't get that one. Y'all see that? This sucker's powerful. I almost took it right out of my hand. Thought I was done with this thing. Another car. Truck, I better move. Really? The hardest one? You guys hear that? Sounds like I'm breaking it. But I'm not, so don't worry. That's just how it sounds when you unbolt the head. Well, man, this thing's fucking garbage. How do I snap-on one? I just didn't want to put the damn pry bar on my snap-on one. And I didn't want to have to keep popping it off. Just to get a turn on it. Whenever you torque these down, it's so silly. You gotta go from like here to there to there to here to here to there, and then not only that, you got to do it like 4 times. On some vehicles, you got to do it more than that. Okay, and then this is an important tip too. One of my first cylinder heads I was doing on a vehicle like this, It was a different vehicle though. I think it was like a Nissan, but it was still a 2.4. Anyway, you see that washer that's on there? So when you get new head bolts, they'll all come with this washer. Now you see this bolt right here? That has no washer on it. And the reason being is because you can't fit. It won't fit in this first one with the washer. You see that? It won't fit on either side. See? So, like I had to take a little Dremel tool, because like I was saying that these are torque to yield bolts. I had to take a little Dremel tool and just go and cut it down to right there and then just kind of chisel it off. So I haven't found the bolts yet that come without one, so I think that they forgot about that. I still remember how nervous I was doing my first cylinder head, because that's a big job, you know. Really separates the men from the boys when you can take an engine apart and put it back together and have it running better than it was. Alright guys, so exhaust bolts, that thing shall be free. I think it was at 13 on those exhaust bolts. Dang leaf. Sometimes when you do work like this outside, you do get a little bit of debris in the top side. That's why I got a vacuum and a little blower with me. It's easy for me, I guess. There's no bolt on that backside. Alright guys, I think we're freed up completely. I think I can literally just pull this bad boy out of here, but before I look silly on camera, let me make sure that there's no bolts. Alright, I do see a bolt right here. Let's see what that goes to. Near my step stool. It kind of feels like it's just the goes to the header. Let me double check. Yeah, it's just a header bolt. So, all right, let me go ahead and pop that exhaust on. These bolts down here. And that's really seated on there. They're seized on there. It's coming loose. Well, you know what, guys? It would help if I got the very last bolt out. I knew I was getting lucky. I thought I was getting lucky. Not for me. No way. Let's see. How are we gonna do this last bolt? Oh, get out of town. Guys, it was that easy. It's called the no-look hook. Literally all feel. Alright, now you can. quite twist her off yet. Let's see if I can get my electric ratchet in there. This thing just has some flex to it, so it's easier to maneuver and get inside little spots. Ah!
Hello, Moto.
Man, I got like 5 people to call back when I'm done with this. And for that, see, this is an example, guys. If for those of you, if you call me, if you follow me, and you live here locally, and you call me to work on your vehicle, if I don't answer, go send me a voicemail, because this is what I'm doing. It's kind of hard to answer the phone and talk when you're working, even if I wasn't doing a live video. It's just hard to, my hands are all messed up. I got my mind processed on one thing. Someone starts talking to me, be like a Nissan or something, I'm like, am I working on a Dodge or? Damn, 14. Almost lost that sucker. Alright. Alright, sorry to trick you guys. Now I think we're good. Yeah, there she goes. Come right on. You just gotta be kind of gentle because I'm gonna mess up the threads on the bolts that are on the other side. Yeah, we're loose. Oh. Alright guys, you ready for this? I can just see how that, I can, without even trying that, I can see the, I just gotta show you guys. What the? Hey, how's it going? Well, no saw on that. Let's see. Oh, they're okay. Okay, that makes sense. They're waiting on each other. I was like, why is that guy just standing there? Alright, see she's loose. Make sure. Exhaust weighing us down. You guys want to see what a bad head gasket looks like? And some people like, man, they're like, oh, head gasket's gone, oh, the car's done. I'm like, give it to me. Let me position myself properly here, guys. Oh, hey, I feel. Let's see, we got one more bolt hanging on here. Couldn't see it because that heat shield was in the way. It feels like, man, that's a silly. It's like a little shaft from the frame to the exhaust, like to hold it into place. It doesn't feel like it'd be too hard to take off there. That feels like a 15, so let me get up out of here. Tricking us again. There's always that one little bolt. Might have to get it from the bottom. Let me see. Bear with me, guys. much easier to get to it. So, I can even probably put an impact on it. Alright, cool. 16, now 15, and I already have one out. Where is it? Alright. Alright, give me 30 seconds, guys. Can't get an impact on it. Darn it. Try to cheat. Alright guys, let's try a ratchet. That did the trick. I don't know if you guys can see me down here. I can see the phone though. Alright guys. Are you as excited as I am? It's a long pole. Throwing it out by hand, and this sucker is long. Alright, there we go. Alright guys, now. You stupid exhaust. You're joking. Alright, let's see. Do I have to slide it out? You're joking. There's a bottom one. There is a bottom one. So stupid. Alright, one sec. So that one I'm gonna actually have to use a ratchet or wrench for. Alright, sorry. I gotta clean my toolbox, man. Hard to find me. Find my 16. Yeah. This one's kind of a pain to get to. Tuck in here. this one broke loose, so. It's too slippery, so I'm putting some, or wiping it off, and I can get a good grab on it. Oh, yeah. This bolt is a pain. See if I can put my ratcheting wrench on it. I wasn't able to a second ago, but now I got it out. So there we go. Almost there. Yay! Alright. Okay. That's the freaking. Okay. Let's try this for the third time. Alright, there it is. Lose some of this oil first real quick. The valve cover, or I mean the head gasket looks trash. The pistons look alright. Alright, here it is. This is a head gasket. That's it. Pretty neat, huh? So, right now we're not going to really worry about cleaning all this up. This is going to be for when we get the new head gasket and get that resurfaced. trying to look for any scoring or anything. It all looks pretty good, honestly. So you see how these two are at TDC? And this is cylinder 1, so see how perfect I got it? I'm good. I'm pretty good at these timing deals. Alright. I'll do another live video installing it. So real quick though, I did want to show you guys that pain in the ass sucker that was stuck on the headers. Where's my 16 at? Look at that. So this was bolted into the header side, and then this gets bolted into the frame. So looking above, I didn't see this inner one, I only seen that bottom one. Stupid damn thing. But alright. You guys want to see how pistons move up and down? Alright, one second. Alright. Watch these pistons here. Pretty cool, huh? Pretty cool. Pretty cool. You can see in here, guys, you can see all the coolant that went through. When the pistons are just sitting there, those springs aren't really compressed out. I mean, they are, but they'll allow coolant can get through there. It's not like a sealed off system. Let's go one more round. It's kind of cool to watch. We'll have to do this again when we put it back on and clean them all out. Well, alright guys, that's it for now. I gotta put the rest of my stuff away and then head off to the next one. We'll probably be done for the day actually, but I didn't get to see anybody's comments. I will afterward, but I got my phone turned around, and when I'm working, it's kind of hard to see. But thanks for everybody watching, and stay tuned for the installation. And in like a day or two, I'm pulling an engine out of a cobalt, so that'll be pretty cool. I'll do a live video on that as well, so stay tuned. Engine looks the same, really. And I also forgot to mention, guys, it'd be cool if you followed me on TikTok. So if you're watching this video, go ahead and follow me. That'd be pretty dope. All right. Thanks, guys. See you next time.